viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your favorite program called Talk to the Camera.
Mina Aissatou Smile Sise.
Your name is Kona Sise.
Today the camera kawaka na shell concerning the ban for travel where government be don't lift. We can't get the drivers them view, but how they feel where government don't lift the ban, and also the passengers them where they go at the different locations them. May them tell me about how they feel for where government don't lift the ban.
Viewers, today the camera can work out with you all the way in a magazine court for talk to people and where they do business and also passers-by concerning the president in speech where he concerning the reopening of the roads where belong for go offline and return back. We will talk to business people today but how they feel about this and the effect where the inter-district lockdown we get on the business. Now we go and go get their own views. Hello ma, welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Yes.
What's your name?
Aminata Kamara.
Aminata, what you they sell? Who say you they sell?
Me na they sell full amount. Na me they sell ginger.
Alright.
Yeah.
This ginger where you they sell, you say you can go buy it.
Na offline and can manage waste am for week. Yeah, because when the lockdown me they try, they all who have far from them don't know. Right now, people they can manage no more because nothing no they again. Say it's here, now that manage they will they pass. So na ginger they sell.
Which great effect the lockdown we get for your market?
Huh?
Which great effect the lockdown we get for your market? I be affect and great.
Yeah, because when me lock the go try, they all who have half money they all get nothing. No, they this road back me lock. Pass to manage say the customer send for you one bag who can manage right now. Was rent back in the morning. I will not know the panda lockdown try. Now they all who have half money. They all thing done.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Where the road be locked? How you be there to forget your market?
Pass one ten and he manage money when they say by this pass and he manage, but the woman they come with the manage the one the driver then they send this load for you. So now that management they will be there and say God put bless yesterday then say good for open today.
Alright. The
Yeah.
same amount of money
Yeah.
where you be they use for you sell for go buy the ginger. Now the same amount of money you be they give the driver.
No, me not sending they send no more na me customer they upline and they send am for me. So the driver he count am for me at all.
So not so the same amount of money, eh?
Because me not sending they send am for
How
me.
much you be they go buy and how much you be they give the driver?
How much I be they go buy? They go buy 200, but right now, way from this the entire this road don't can make now XX they take now 400. See, and so then they can give you now.
Okay, so that's caused an increase in
Yes,
price
yes.
for the market money, eh?
Yes.
And also for the way how you they sell and the amount, eh?
Yeah, yes.
So how much you be they sell away they lock down?
When they lock down, we be the same na 2,000 no I can put am. They cannot get no way girl for seller. Na so no more I be the seller, so I dey manage 2,000 no more.
Yeah, but then
Yeah.
the money no they come out.
Yeah, the money no dey come out na management o strength this so pikin and this so ultimo na we see am.
Alright. So
Yeah.
how you feel when the lockdown done now?
Say God thank you, where the power tell and thank you. When back don't help me that side, so they tell and thank you. See, huh? So say God thank you that side. So they got no money. Where God don't make say this money for can help. We let God get the chance. No we help we see, huh? So now the way
So you
down
get
there.
plan for go offline for go buy ginger?
Yes, if you God give me that chance there, if you God they can make them they can help me. If you God make them help me, you go manage me life. See, huh?
But you
right
know
now,
say,
yeah.
Papa government say when you they go offline for when face mask say for the wash your
Yeah,
hands. eh?
always would they do that. They watch now, they make distance. All would they pan and back no more because they don't try for me. All land they do them. See, huh?
So what you go be find out what so the company way on all they do business and so the one the way they listen and watch.
Yes, if we all look the world now the same no more. Then back there they help we low back they improve. You see, huh? Because right now they are strength. So all things done. This lock that way can go glad the back way the part open. All side for we so they can manage to life them back. So now the pandemic get for talk no more. Let they help you.
Alright.
See, huh?
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
you are thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and that you been at this park.
My name is Abdul Kabia. I'm a second chairman.
You now waiting at this park.
I'm a driver for driver chairman for the company driver there.
Okay, I go want to make it tell we also you the drive from what's in your destination where you they go.
They drive for the provinces. The provinces. Did you get her? Okay.
All over the provinces.
Yeah, Bu, Kerema, Makeni, Kono, Kabala. That's the Nadu Waka.
So now where government don't lift the ban on travel, I go want for know as driver, how you feel?
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad anyway. It's not bad. But no more, we get pressure. We get pressure to the police. You understand? Police they pressure too much. So if you wait there, you will talk to the police. At least let them break the police at least speed of we. Not bad because now some of the laws You understand, eh? For the loss. Because some motor like me, who motor they use at 36 passenger they take. Now, I'm going to take 25, 29. You understand? So you look, I'm don't come out. And the police don't watch outside, they will tell you money. You understand? We don't give money. They tell you, see, you know, it's packing at this, that, all that getting. So then you make my heart was warm. You know, that's the for sit down for us, think. Then they say this. So one carry a large job here. Because one, we not get driver seen yourself. The driver seen they will get here, they don't even do what you for do. You understand? So now make we say just look to see no more because this is our country, we know this. We're ready for go extra mile for serve the nation. You understand? So na done day. But really not easy. Right?
So why you say una no get drivers union? Where we know say the drivers union body they function. Why you say una no get drivers
because
union?
they talk for you. They need talk for you. You are the main man that the president. They talk for you. Right? Because if in your side this in your office, una take circle, checkpoint the day. We don't load command, they go book. Why that of you? President in your office, checkpoint for the day for book to police. You know for the day. When they book now, then they do about 5 sets. Ordin, police. When they don't break, or they give tickets for it. Go give ticket to underwear ticket, no license, no nothing. You understand? And a new office stand there, we not in day. You get me? So now the thing and the all that are stress. And we say get one family there. You understand? We get family there. So we say out of that job they don't say they take survive, do something. We say they come out good at least. You know, eh? Because drive you a professional job. No, we just you know you make one carry like say you know tooth man or you know waiting. No, not correct. If I have somebody see you, let know say yeah, this is not driver. If for different from other institutions, right? But you know we just say you know driver. Wow, this no, we're not looking already. You already see driver, yes, yeah, you are okay. You understand? So now the thing and
So what do you mean about the booking?
you know, the booking. Not the thing hide. You understand? Because the police station for you park, not to nothing to go actually. You can't drive license. If the bully drive license. But you don't give money, nothing. You need to work.
That not the money where una can get to the police, not the booking?
Yes. And the money, you know, eh? And then get some amount of money, not to like see, they go put number 5,000, no, any work. You don't understand, eh? Then get the use amount of you to them put seed at this any each motor car they go apply and this is the give. We're not talking about the handle they want this strong service so because then they don't take another they go get picking a house. You understand? Any day one coming for left line lunch. We need talking about that side. Now you area. You understand who they go apply. Because from yesterday was the whole PD who begin go. The pressure on the camp. You understand, eh? So you see that it's in the that make us see me and not just waiting column because we get stress.
So what about the other checkpoints the one they go and meet?
All our money. You know they pack commodity for nothing, not possible. It's a bit, you get us a bit. All our money. You
So as driver, how you done the try for sensitize your company drivers then for make sure say the passengers the way then they take continue for use the face mask until they reach their destination?
Yeah, we get out topic. We tell man there because if you like them boss or the Ludu banda, I be there say this show we want to load, don't come out. Every time man say, I say anyone will not get face mask, they are big. They no go and bug it at it. Do up and down, leg and down. You understand? I say because this is a test case. A test case for them give you. So if people are buy, maybe they would not go close again. But if not buy, we know if we are buy, I don't know.
So what's the message we go and add to all waiting you don't say so?
Well, the message is it now. Who they still appeal to our government, right? Because any kind of way, we not big pass government to government. Although someone they going to talk this over yes, but government and government, whatever. What's in fit for do that they do. What is the right for we for law doing at the safer side? They do. I like you do and now you don't feel saying at the right thing, but what's in at the right thing? It's okay. We don't get no option. You understand? Now the thing and the.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Hello to you, sir, and welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name.
Me na Edward Tamba Kamara.
Mr. Edward, who side they do business and whose business do they do?
I dey do second hand. I dey do magazine cut. I dey do second hand clothing business.
Alright, if somebody want for come magazine course, who's going to go fast?
It dey pass through the road who me dey pass so I dey carry. Me na hill station attack, but I can't do business na magazine cut. So I dey pass by hill station. I come on to Yumuki Yacha Road. I travel can continue to bus station. I work out for Kana magazine cut.
Concerning the business where you dey do, how that relates to interdistrict lockdown and how if you don't bring effects come, bad effects or good effects come to your business?
Really, the inter-district lockdown, it creates really problem to we because when we dey free time, you not go expect say we dey free time and we no more dey buy to we sell. Rather than they up country, now then they can the half pieces they already left, now then they clear am. Now then they can buy and go upline. If they not they carry again, we business they not they go through. Now through that relationship, when they come up kaya, we serve the able for do business accordingly.
Alright, so how you feel when the interdistrict lockdown come to an end?
Well, I feel so good because the relationship will be there with the upliners then, it will be free time, it will begin for go on back.
So, what thing will be you want to? The one that way they travel for camp by tonight, una safe way they go meet them, especially where the COVID-19 not done it. About all the things the way una supposed to protect una safe, not forget this.
The only thing, Corona is real. I go talk to my people and say, let we take all the precautionary measures then, what government don't put in place. Prevent yourself with the face mask, wash your hand, avoid for touch the nose, and all other precautions what government say will not for do if I buy to them because Corona is real.
Okay, so what's going to be final word to viewers then?
Sorry?
What's going to be final word to viewers then?
To the
Viewers then, what's going to be last word?
to the
Viewers then, the one the way they watch you.
Oh, okay, now I just want to say all the preventive measures what government say let we take, let we abide by now and make sure say we follow the rules because Corona is real.
Thank you very much.
Thank you then.
Hello to you, sir. Welcome to this interview. Tell me your name.
Name Alhaji Abdul Karim Jabite.
Alright, so whose business do you do and whose side you do business?
I do medicine. Medicine I do business with.
Alright, whose side so?
Number 19 magazine court.
Alright, as a medical personnel where they deal with medicines, what not be your own you don't give where you don't give out to people? What not be the thing where you don't give out to people as in your own effort and resource for help fight this sick called COVID-19 now, the magazine court community?
Well, actually, when you get this and how they call it, when they give some of you neighbors then some can give them actually some back to give them free because of the sick. Yeah. Because everyone forget this.
Alright, that's don't be your support so you don't give for effect this sick. But then you don't give out those face masks. How you can see that people where they are around you, like they use these face masks and also they spread out the message to them say this sick is real and also now so and so you do for help protect yourself. With that people actually they take advice from medical personnel with them know.
Yeah, actually the sick is real. Well, according to the news we get all over the world, we don't see the destruction what will take place all over the world. So because of that, I can advise everyone of we and the neighbors then say the sick is real sick. So they everybody take what the government say for protect himself.
Alright. When you get to do the inter-district lockdown, which effects it get on your own business where you do?
Well, it really affect people because when they lock early and money no day for buy, people then can come for buy medicine, some can ask for medicine, you see where they go and come for buy because of money no day. Some can come back and buy small, but because of the business, all side everybody affected.
Alright, so is it that people will come up offline, they can buy medicine in large quantity?
Yeah, first yes, but because of the lockdown, not how we know.
Alright, but are we say the lockdown will come to an end?
Well, we are aware, yes, that from yesterday, so we're glad for that. We thank Allah, thank God we create you, and we appreciate the President effort.
Alright.
Government.
Okay, this lockdown, it brings any increase in price in your medicine?
Yes, yes, the price can be increase. Yes.
In what percentage you go rate am?
Well, nearly, I would say nearly 20 or 25%. Yes.
Why that happen?
Every experience, because market, they don't get them now, they sell them, but they don't need, because they get sympathy for others.
All right.
Otherwise, for you normal.
Okay. So now that the inter-district lockdown done, what are the assurance people go get to say medicine in price will come down back to normal?
Well, first, if business go normal, government help the one way they import. They let them get foreign currency for import them goods. That will cost population can normal for the prices.
All right. As a medical somebody, what will be your message to people who get intentions for travel go offline? When you get to do the usage of face masks, washing their hands, and also take every precautionary measures they need for taking order for stop this sick called COVID-19 not for reach to them.
Well, the guide where government give you. So use face masks, wash your hand, get social distance. So this is the most important thing for everyone for doing practical. So that will benefit all.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Nasadu Kagbo.
What business do they do at this park?
Na driver.
What's right destination they ride from?
Can go Makeni and back. At times I can go Bo.
So now where government don't lift the restriction, I go want to make you tell we how you feel as where government don't lift the ban for travel.
Well, we're all happy. We're all glad because it not be easy for we actually. Yes. As driver, for there about 2 to 3 months, we never go no side. Because I don't easy forget, we get family there for feed, get picking them. It not be easy actually. But right now, we tell President thank you and the government.
So now how much passenger you take inside the vehicle for go Makeni?
Well, it was kind of over the use. We start to take 403. We start to take 302. That's it.
So how much passenger they pay from here to Makeni?
We want to Makeni 40,000 for now because of the one passenger who open.
And also we see a regulation we come out yesterday from NACOVAC where say the drivers them and also the passengers them for make sure say they deal with face masks. I go want for know as driver, what do you think about that? Like if you then find out say passengers and then say your motor car will not get face masks and you also the driver then go fine on 100,000. What do you think about that fine?
If that be the case, me want to car I get, you not get face mask, you can inside. At all, I need to keep. But by and forth, you can inside. Yeah.
So what about the manifest? Do not start for use the double manifest?
Well, me I listen to this point then say you go for be duplicate, 2 duplicate go for day. The original one, me they go to me I driver. The duplicate I don't know, you go for left and park here, to chairman them. So that is it.
So where una they gonna go? Do not get any sorted and they check una again for the manifest?
Yes, that's it. And check with it. They go reach Makeni, last checkpoint for enter Makeni, they check it. If not worry, they go last checkpoint for go and they check it. But manifest. Yeah.
So as you that guy long distance, like for come on at the city and go to the provinces with a face mask, how you can feel where you there inside the face mask?
At times, while inside the motor car, as I drive, I put them down small. For that, I breathe small. Yeah.
So what's are the message where you go and send to Papa government and viewers?
Like what thing?
What's are the message where you go and add to all waiting you don't say so?
Well, maybe just the plead on government for later for put on some measures. At least this year will go away. Because where you go, we go freedom once more. That's it. The government keep on what they do. What are the good thing? The go they don't do all along. They don't restrict now, they don't lose it for them work free. But they put more measures in place for them at least when this year will go away. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Go please tell me your name.
What?
What's your name?
Na mi name Yenke Ndumria.
Yenke, no side they sell.
Na magazine called.
What do you sell a magazine for?
Lace them.
Yenke, you go tell me how this inter-district lockdown will affect your business where they do.
This lockdown issue, where from when the lockdown down, where they lock the road there, business where they go on, business where they go through, the money all done. By this lockdown, lock road, all things done. Right and now 50,000 bill. Now they go buy. I can't get. I even go feed me picking there. All there they can't sit under the gain under the stand. That's no day. For no more, I no go trust to post. I no go thief. I no go lend or as you I do na me host. Now make they can't find wait till they eat some money. It's me picking there. I get 4 picking there. How they take care of. plus me man.
So how you feel now where it don't come to an end?
I tell God thank you. Right now where they open the road from yesterday where they announce say madam you don't open the road. We tell God thank you because right now my mama dey offline. I go able go check on me mama now offline.
You feel say where the road don't open so your business they can change?
By God in power, me feel so. By God, by grace power, you know say by God in power, all things they can normal.
But you believe say the COVID-19 still less alone, eh?
Yeah.
So when you get for the travel, what you was you get for the do for see that this sick called COVID-19 not go catch you?
I dey wash stand, I dey get my own marks, then I go offline.
Alright, so what's going to be the message to you come to trailer then concerning that day?
I dey tell them say, my sister, anybody who wants that will forget your own marks, you wash the hand, any side you want go. If you get your own face mark, you wash your hand.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, man. Welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name. What's your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
And then Fat Pata Bangura.
Alright, Mami Fast Matter, what are you they sell and what you they sell?
Now rubber they sell. Plastic there.
What you can go buy the rubber there?
Now give me Costa Mede Kula.
Alright. Apart from Freetown, you got a cyber quick you sell there.
As I give me store, not get money I go buy there. The woman will be the count there for me. Now you know they come. Somebody lock door, you know they come again. The happen I get that I don't get I say let me now let buy Boku market for me. Now I take they knock out the market. What me for do now? Last year I me man die. You know, nobody they feed me. And everybody and they eat. From both the lockdown now, nothing not they get. Look at the put look what you put now. Nothing not they for it. As I can't put. Sometimes you can carry they stop and eat. So no get man, me man know they help me try, they don't left me. God don't take an man. Down there no money, we have our government, let them help me, let them give you the money, them back load the ton. We are the big, we are allow they get what you they eat.
But you know say the lockdown done, eh?
Yes, the lockdown done, they say done.
Alright, so how you feel with them?
I tell God thank you for that. I'm glad the bad. What I like back for, let them open for we back the mocks them. Lord they pray, Lord they ask God, Lord they let them they give you, let God open your way. Yeah, now down there no more. I love it for you.
Alright, so what thing go be you also the one they want all they sell concerning the usage of face masks and one of the what's on hand for travel go offline. What's on for they do?
For the what's one who put this here. All the time with the what's they tell
so when they go offline for do that they all.
Yes, so they do that. They get some medicine, they rub rubber and some soap. They rub rubber now. I'm glad for that. Oh, they do among happy. Not the near with company. All man then at your place. All man then at place. Okay, tell them. All man on your company. Let the sick no go can away. Where you work at say you meet outside. Okay, they wash your hand. Come.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Charlie Fufona.
What have you been at this park?
Well, me na one of the driver them who get this kind vehicle. Who na motor owner. So I dey run am go mechanic kono. So also service.
So now where government don't lift this ban on travel as driver, go on for make you tell me how you feel.
Well, we not feel comfortable because now they would live, now they would solve all the problem there. So from since where this year happened, so all things we don't go behind. All things we don't go behind. Even some of the vehicles are open the door. Some of the parts they don't put panam. So then today they are open. Passion will get and go to garage. So from there we do some maintenance panam. So yesterday I test for go upline. For the way I see, so it's not comfort for me. For me the driver there. And make it too. Outside there, so we not get people who they help we. Like for example, like we get a head, like Alphaba one at the head. Like for say when something happen, if they talk for driver, no, they ever happen. So we say we grow to ourselves. Like you have one load, we give extra money. Okay, yeah, we take 3-3, Friday and 4-4. Now na 3-3 for no space. For let something solve na salon. So now when they take that 4-4 day, but still they still left money in a pack. And make it two, for the final remove away. That's why we not go night. I like he motorcar clean, he do everything. Because passenger who take now, if you wear face mask, you know wear face mask, we know they allow you. Because we back don't allow you in the road. So all down there, we do down there. For let God help you, for Lord, this year. For let all things come into normal. So if it don't happen, it ain't with me. So this is number one force. Back out.
So some of them things they also when you talk about like the constraints they were on the face. Una don't ever come together as driver and go meet una president when Alphaba and explain tell and say, now this thing they happy with we na road and you know they go down well with we?
Yes, we don't do them. We don't do them, not to one, not to two, not to three. I know say driver, what they say as a driver, always if I get freedom. Because now people like they work out. Get some certain people will be say they get a one old family who they work out. So driver, if you don't walk on the road, if he act not take you, or whether you don't pay attention, which side they go. So all down there they cause accident. But if you walk drivers and union hand in hand, because what you can say, when they say driver, now one of the president, because people now they come together, they put you as a head. But if it don't happen now, where the head need people there, they can't tell you, they talk to you now. But as you don't succeed no more, you come up here. So we don't do that, we don't do that. So we no effort. But all this time will take place. Okay, yes, you don't say that the sick. And not to you no more get they all over the country. So for now, we guide the real life, we picking them, for all things come together, like how God begin put all things where they come together today. So however be, in go get one or two words where you must say, where we go must listen and say, oh, now we get people where they talk for you. But then they never happen.
So as for now, now no the benefit from the union?
No benefit, no they get from the union. As she heard. No benefit. No, they get no benefit from the union for now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Aruna.
Aruna, whose business do they do?
Yeah, they sell trousers, woman trousers, Nikaboka.
Right. So please tell me as business person, how this interdistrict lockdown be affect you?
Yeah, it will affect me because my business all what they do right now. Pass someone I go take a shop after I don't sell, I go give. Now I've been all done. I don't care what that money doing. Pass someone I go take a shop, what I don't sell it, I go give. The small thing only myself go for eat me, and then me picking there, recharge.
So how you feel now we don't come to an end?
Well, to the end now, I feel fine. They are there. They don't let me go them. And I'm doing that because the life day, and I get healthy more. I'm glad they left in lockdown. How there? That's fine.
But the president say even though the road don't open, people for continue they do that in the way medical personnel and say like for the last one, cover you know with masks. What's he go say about that?
Well, then they are true. What is the president talk? All day behind them. Anything tell me, now they follow. I call the power. We're not going to be anymore. So that 9 and no more.
Alright, so what's going to be last word so you company all they sell?
Well, we company all they sell. And they tell them say, what is the president talk? Now they follow. I call the power. So now they do.
Thank you very much.
Aruna concert.
Thank you.
I did 34 Layer Street.
Hello to you and welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name.
Lama, Mina Ladi by Lama Kamara.
Alright, what's your position at this place?
Well, Mina Deputy Chairman of Traders Union.
As Deputy Chairman of Traders Union, you can please tell me what will be una activities when you get to do with inter-district lockdown where we dey on and how business be dey talk for una ever since we that inter-district lockdown dey be dey?
Well, inter-district lockdown really the theory be dey we feel am but now where the power don lose am who self-clad we don let the power for that way e do and even where e be we no be blame am because you know say na something happen before that dey be.
So how that don dey be bring an effect to your business wey dey do?
Well, really, even the business wey be dey do, where the lockdown be there, they gone because na people wey dey come offline, they can assist for buy. But for me, that be better. Say no, the day where come for try get wetin they eat sef for the day, easy.
Right. Before where the government they put an hold to am, you go please tell me wetin be una activities when you get for this sensitizing people about using face masks and washing of hands?
Well, really, we serve like I be because we know we pay attention to the big one. They they tell me. When they tell you about our son and even for cover nose and face, we do them. And Utiaman Naya is very vigilant for that. If they do them Naya, we persist, we take honor to the government. What the public talk.
But then now the interdictory lockdown will come to an end. And also the COVID-19 still lays alone. But then the president advised we say we for listen to medical personnel and continue for the things that we do. And I go see say una reinforce all the things that we una be do for see that people continue for wash their hands and protect themselves with face masks. I want to see that people really comply to this as now where the roads don't open.
Well, we still persist when we don't want like they say so the same like they say so look me Robert himself on the table for sensitize people what they do. Even you want to buy business to me, I tell you what's the hand you go inside. We still do if you not get the cover nose and no they accept to make it go inside. We still sensitize people there. And that easy way, not to violence way, we talk to them fine because they stick na God mark for you and not to even salon no more, not to salon no more. They all side the wall, you understand? So we still there beyond the power we talk with the chairman we cover winner.
Right. You don't feel say the reopening of the roads for go offline and come back go bring another great effect on COVID-19?
Really for bring the road and coffee. Really what I say it gets more error for open the road. You don't understand. Or the coffee, me not see say coffee the effect for the Corolla. You don't understand. But now when they don't open the roads there, they talk to the people there. Anyhow come, then they talk to them. When they present some security day, when they sensitize people there, what them for do?
Alright, so what's going to be final about your viewers then?
Well, the final all me they say, and they beg for the government, they assist you from where they lockdown up to 3 months. Better no day, money no day. People feel free as they now. Nothing no day. It's say we all done for them. The help where they say it day, when they help you. Any help where they get, where they go help you, where they go able to make them do it for you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too. I like you by Lama Kamara.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name Ibrahim Bernard.
I go want to make you tell me what you do now this park.
Well, I dey travel for go back now upline. I yesterday at Kaya.
So as you say, you come yesterday, and I go want to make you tell me how you feel where government don't lift the ban for travel.
Well, I feel fine because before this time, the present situation of the country, and not the warrant we for travel, like how we plan travel first step. But since that day where government leave their ban, one, the transportation cost SF, it all come down. Number two, the movement, it all free now. Only that, we dey still observe, say, this sickness, it is within the country. And that, all the preventive measures, where the health sector be not put in place for law they abide by. We still the observer one like this face mask. Wow, where's you?
And also, as you say, the transportation cost self, it don't come down. How much do they pay right now for Gobo?
Well, we plan pay 40 up to now na 40,000.
6,000. So how you feel when you dey use face masks now for going to the provinces?
Well, before this time, we'll not be the user. But since the breakout of this deadly virus by this country, and the number one way we go help for prevent we, they say law will use face mask. So I dey feel good why they use them because that they make for prevent me brothers and sisters, prevent me society from this deadly virus we don't can now we miss.
So what's the message we go and send out there to the company passengers, especially the one them way not willing, we not agree for use the face masks for travel?
Well, we will continue for the talk to brothers and sisters where they always travel. One of the ways way for prevent you from this virus are for use this face mask. And I will encourage them as we go for make themselves adhere to their preventive measures. Since now one of the ways we will prevent you from this deadly virus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello ma, welcome to this interview. Do you tell me your name?
Nana Kuruma.
Alright. I'm Nana Kuruma, what you dey sell? And who say you dey sell?
Nayana Pia.
Alright. This Pia we dey sell, who say you be the go buy and for sell?
Na offline.
Now you self be the go buyer?
Yeah.
How much you be the go buyer where they go offline?
Why they go buy? They go buy only get time for the blind.
How much they cancel am?
They cancel am 15,000 for the dozen. So they want me go buy put am 2,000.
Okay. But then when the lockdown be there or now, who that be they go buy am for you and who say you be they go buy am?
Now of course now. You cannot get money again for good. I never go there. You got lock down.
So you go buy an Dove cut, how much they sell am?
And they sell am the same price because they sell the cheap. We could buy cheap.
They sell and give the same price so now they go buy an up.
Yes, because not to the fine wine, the small one, and they sell you the same price.
Alright.
So who come back to buy am, we sell 1,500, 2,000.
Okay. So this inter-district lockdown, whose effect be get for you market?
Yeah, right now, don't sit down house. Money no dey. If you don't get for it, now no get nothing. Pass now go ten sha. Now me company I dey sell for now. What I don't sell for now, if you go to the village, I will survive.
But you know say the lockdown done, eh?
Yeah.
How you feel as trader?
I'm glad by myself of our government. Thank you. What you don't do so. So the register now, the register with the same with the business woman there. They don't come for can't give money. So we don't register till up to now. We know if we succeed. While I tell for our government, they have let me have everybody. We don't get money, we don't stay in our house. Let people get our money.
Alright, so what thing go be you want? So a company where they do business, where they travel go up and including yourself, about for they protect yourself when they travel go, so you not go get COVID-19, coronavirus.
Yeah. And for protect myself, when I don't get the sick, when I colonial virus, I didn't think they would use. For protect myself.
Still then so.
This way they not so. Now they use.
Alright, so you advise the company for the use.
Yes, so make wash yan with soap. So Narande.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hello, man. Welcome to this interview. Go please tell me your name and what you sell.
My name is Nabale Kamara.
What you
I sell magazine Kota Konkuba. I sell.
Alright, this Konkuba outside you go buy am.
That's why I buy na gas street.
You ever go buy an upline?
No man, no get money for upline.
Alright, but this inter-district lockdown because we all know say Konkuba they pull our upline for cancel free return. So which effect will be get for your business really?
But the price will be the ban for us. When the lockdown cannot go the same price you go the ban. The price will increase. Because cancel operation on there and that make when they will buy and get the same price. We still go for their business. We picking up 10 person, no we 10 person. So feel bad moments and they for picking up 10 person. And what's and better. What they like say now our government open all them day. Except our government thank you for waiting on you for you. For all the poor one they will not get so still go for business to picking them. We tell and thank you don't provide for we. That privilege for giving this money. Who the poor one will not get to tell and thank you. Then be possible then reach our own side. And that message you get. They're ready for honor the president in order to talk say for pronounce for protect yourself from coronavirus, for what you earn and so put marks always. Connect the signal with Kodon or country.
Okay, earlier when you mentioned saying the reason why I make the Konkuba business be kind of difficult now because of transportation, the money add. So that means the transportation where una be they go buy am trade before the lockdown. It add where the lockdown come?
Yes, man, it add.
How it add? I must add my tax.
Because they say when they pay tax, they pay 55 or go inside and now they pay 200,000. So when they count that business, they all add for we. We they buy for 5,000, 4,000, you can't say 2,500. But now they buy 10,000, back they say 1,000. Where by 1,000 and 2,000 they get. They not enough for who to begin them.
But if you say the reason why made the transportation hard now because of the lockdown?
Because of the lockdown, man.
Alright, so when the lockdown don't come to an end now, how you feel? And you feel say the transportation they come back to normal?
Yes, man. I'm happy for that. Where they go down open so. We pray for all things possible for all easy for we. How we get business, how we get some force.
Alright, so what's going to be final word to viewers them and also to Papa government concerning this road whether open and the transportation business so now they come back to normal?
Now that's what they tell and thank you for waiting on do for we. We appreciate you always for letting the road car open where the road open so. Let all things possible work, let all things cannot for work, I will be the first time. So tell and thank you for that. I'm happy for that. As the president and the country.
Thank you. Hello to you, ma. Welcome to this interview. Please tell me your name, yeah?
My name is Kaliatu Dumbuya.
Alright, now make Kaliatu what they sell.
Now fruit here they sell.
Alright, then fruit here where they sell. We all know say they come on upline. So you go please tell me how the inter-district lockdown be create effect to your market.
The effect to market. So right now all the lockdown be built. No get markets, they say now upline markets and they come out. So how will they survive? Through all empower, no be able to get markets there for them will sell again. So first we try for baga, we will try for sell, don't sell, give people their money.
So we don't talk to people and we tell we say one great concern when they get now we get for the transportation business for go upline for go buy goods and see them they pay 50,000 before the lockdown, but then when the lockdown count now 200,000 they pay. That's be the happen too.
Yes, that's be the happen so according to food so we get. You know they get normal food for sell, so though they can pass we can't do business no day. They say because why make them lockdown? So this will affect all. But today we succeed, we know they will get again. Just a management money.
Alright, so how you feel when the lockdown don't come to an end?
Well, with the lockdown, I don't feel well. I'm happy. I tell Allah thank you. Let God make this go right. Let them open for me more fair. Now they ask for prayer God. Let God go make this go come on and continue peacefully.
You feel safe because the lockdown don't come to an end. The business they can return back to normal.
Yes, that's how we feel. When the lockdown done, business they come back normal. All things they go smoothly. How they able to do business like how they able to do.
Alright, the president don't talk say. Even though when the lockdown don't come to an end and people get permission now for to go upline, we suppose for the wear face masks and the wash we hands them regularly. What do you think about that?
Well, that it's possible for long they do that. Send me someone go for the wash hand, wear face mask for protect yourself for this kind of situation. So God keep apart from the country.
Alright, so what's going to be the message to you company together like concerning this?
Well, the message will be say I will tell the company say that they're all happy. You tell Allah thank you. You tell the president thank you. So let this peace cry for continue. Let open for you the mosque and the church there. Now we go pray. Let all things go smoothly.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Oyambe Sisi.
Oh, that's you been at this park?
In a park attendant as drivers union workers.
Okay. You know, park attendants from drivers union. I go want to make you tell me how, as a union, especially you then at this park, you they represent the union. How now don't they do for observe the social distance at this park?
The social distance we try. Then we say for president's back they try one alphabet. Even Ubengo they are the car, the cancel also they do because of the passenger there. Passenger they must come they take 8 passenger, now na 5 passenger. Would have they take 5 passenger, now na 4. 1 billion, 3 billion. 1 before 3 billion.
And also we know say the different parks they forget hand washing station. And we see this park here so I don't observe them now so. And then also we see say where people and they come, the apprentices and they rush to passengers them. Waiting on don't put in place for say then canteen and they not go the happen at this park.
All that they will get for cancel that because who the boss on alphabet, it goes for all fixed marks. If we want to talk to passenger self, for wear them, we talk to passenger. So Batulman, who no concern here, we get for sit down on that.
So now I go on for make you tell we concerning this manifest. What thing una don't put in place concerning that?
This manifest are from the long with the manifest people there. Even though this year car up back, who they say for manifest people there. Any motoka who load there, who make sure say manifest motoka, passenger get face masks, we no get I no go inside a motoka day.
So now as union where government don't lift the ban for travel, how you feel?
No, we feel all right because of whoever na they will eat and they will survive to begin the woman there.
So I go on for make you tell if a passenger come say know they use face masks, what una can do?
We not go allow inside the motoka, let go inside the motoka. We not go allow because whoever will enforce the government for help the government or the law and order.
So what's the message where you go send out there to the drivers them, especially the one them way up to now know they use the face masks, and also some of the passengers them we also know they use face masks.
When they use the face masks, even with presidents, when we don't go 38, any passenger who no fix face masks na face, policeman the pin and on at the motoka, you know they join that motoka.
But also we know say some passengers then can they in a habit like where the motoka can they left, then they pull their face masks, as then they try for reach mile 38. Then put on the face mask. What exactly go on for tell to the drivers then?
What did happen for them passenger? Then that's what they can do at times. Some passengers say and they force and they force her. And then they don't look to that. So the law and order they look. If you see we pull out, we tell you say fix her.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and who that you be?
Mina Alpha Amaduba, the national president for Motor Drivers Union.
Okay, I go want to make you tell we concerning on our face mask enforcement we una be do late last month as we be see una be pull a press release where una they try for enforce the face masks on the drivers. Them I go want to know how
than they be happen? How successful than they be?
Well, it goes successfully. Drivers Union and the first union we pull a press release when this face mask issue come up on board. When NACOVAX say we for use face masks, if it be a compulsory, we pull a press release for tell the nation say anybody where they go inside public vehicle, if I use face masks, anybody where they go inside public vehicle, if I wash your hand, then you the driver, if I use face masks, if you meet sick man on road, if I call 117, not take them. So that sensitization go on till then later on government pull another restriction say the face mask business for be a compulsory now. And we and the police, we go on big time sensitization. That sensitization they go well. Now I think people they don't used to washing hands and the face masks. Which how we get small problem now this social distancing. The social distancing and itself, we don't do on sensitization with so many organizations. By the grace of God, we will conquer them.
Okay, and as you be the talk, you make mention say the face masks where una be try for enforce is successful, but we see plenty drivers and also passengers them know they use the face masks.
Well, yes. I cannot tell lie. For say you go meet somebody now they drive or they board a vehicle without face masks, it's not boku. The problem they know they use them. You can't believe this morning. One motor car, they go upline, I stop them, I say, look, I want to see everybody in face masks. You cannot believe everybody inside that vehicle, including the driver, they all get face masks. All man put on, to the apprentice herself. But the time when they meet them, now few been get on. So that means they know they use them. Now the use of the face masks, now the problem there. But come here now, you go mile 38, you stop them vehicle where they go upline, you will find out see the passengers, then get them face masks, but they know they use ID inside them bags. The driver, he get face masks, he know they use ID, put on a dashboard. A few people. The problem, now the use of the face masks, now the problem don't they now. But by the grace of God, we are on it. We just need some enforcement, then we go know exactly how they go from here.
But you not think say una representatives then at the bank, na the different pack them for me, they make sure say anybody where they go inside the vehicle for use the face masks and also impose that on the drivers them since you they talk about the successful about on our own face masks enforcement wanna be start.
We get representatives now, all the packs them. Now the 37 packs now Freetown here. The drivers them, some them are just negligent, but they all get face masks. We don't supply, but the use of them 9 lakh in small. Someone they say it suffocates them, but you get for practice them. If you not practice them, it not go used to you. And this thing don't become a law. Now 500,000 now if they arrest you, then you charge you go court, they pay 500,000 fine, or you go jail for face masks. So use them. When you get them, use them. The thing that I take it boku for 2,000 use. No go jail or go pay 500,000 for face masks. It can't be on side. We patch them now. Definitely, would allow people. Then why we sell face masks? We don't call them boku. Then they within them patch them. We then they sell face masks for 2,000. There, we ask everybody for buy them. The thing you don't boku, it don't cheap. You know go tell me say you know go afford 2,000. So we they ask the public more than the problem there. Is it?
Okay, as you they continue for ask the public for late and they use the face masks, and also we don't say NACOVAX don't pull regulation where they say passengers and drivers them for they use the face masks, and also I go want for know waiting una as union don't put in place for say this particular regulation be successful.
We as a union, we mandate now for sensitize and make sure people they know exactly the good and bad of the face masks. The enforcement, now the law enforcers them. We get the police, we get the army, we get the traffic cops them. Now them more go assist, we will desensitize, or we will tell people the good and bad of the face masks. No, we go do them, but the enforcement now go make it happen. Without enforcement, this thing is not go work. We not get that power. We get powers for sensitize, we get power for educate, we don't get power for arrest. We don't get power for child person go court. We need the law enforcers them. Now the law enforcers them, now then you side and the for enforce the law, for make people use them by force.
So since this regulation here so don't come out from NACOVAC, how many drivers them you think say go don't know about this regulation?
An officer driver they today we don't know about this regulation because within this short time they don't reduce passengers them. Within this short time we don't pack motorcar, they will know they go upline. Between this short time, we know how many drivers they don't suffer. Now that make that day where His Excellency the President, retired Brigadier General Smada Bio, announced the lifting of that ban on this street. Hey, it tell us Salondo we know all cop. Usa de na my office na ya. If you see the crowd, all man they holler, everybody happy for His Excellency. May God bless her. So the same thing. Nobody know that today we don't know about these regulations from NACOVAC, or nobody know that today we don't know about COVID-19 because they're not the one who war. So today, for say you go tell person say COVID-19 day or not day, or those who get some people will not believe them, but the rate at which it don't day now, now 99% now people they will believe them because we don't hear about that and we don't see what they do. You see?
And also, I go want to know if una the drivers or neither if una the executive will be part of this agreement here. So, like for put in place this regulation will come out from NACOVAC. The union be they part of that?
Well, normally we na radios or televisions na they we can listen. If NACOVAC don't pull in regulations, in measures, definitely. What we can do with the now from there we get the informations. We know they go NACOVAC, we go ask them what they see. We now television, radio station, by WhatsApp, by press release. Now there we can get the informations then where they take what would they take, we pass to we membership. We know they go NACOVAC.
So what do you think as president? What do you think concerning this regulation, especially for the drivers them, where they talk about say if a drivers fall victim to turn and go seize him motorcar then detain them, and also if a driver and passenger no use face masks and go pay a fine. So as union, how una take this message?
Well, the message definitely good. Yesterday I tell the driver they say if they hold you get passengers that whether not use face masks, you the driver, now they carry the greatest responsibility. Because when that person they carry inside motorcar, now for one hour, immediately say, if you don't use your face mask, not carry inside motorcar, that person will not say yes. This it don't become law. But if that passenger where they take, he not agree use the face mask, you allow for go inside your motorcar, then go arrest that person, that passenger they not use face mask inside motorcar. You the driver. You are irresponsible. That sensitization don't go down. We don't talk to them. But you know, some people then just look negligent. They not believe in what they do. But pass the law, bet them. Now the 10 them will not say, this is a law. Now that make we they ask the law enforcers them for put them foot down and make sure say this face mask issue, this social distancing, if for work.
So what means of sensitization we una don't do?
We get our own way we desensitize. We get our own organogram from the headquarters here, go to the regions, go to the district, go to the sections, go to the branches, go to the units. Now so we they carry on with informations. But we don't do everything. We don't do them by press release. We all get forums, drivers union forums, and they now boku. All district get in your forum where you don't create. We send them messages and then all them district forums and then we send them messages and then from we own national forum where then they read. Everybody don't know better now. Up to the list executive within that unit.
Okay, now let me talk about the manifest way una for the GI, especially where driver they left here so for going the provinces, they talk about the manifest. Now we be no say drivers then be they do that, but now una forget a duplicate way una the left and also drivers they go with the original. Now I just want to make you just clear this point for we. If a driver take passenger, if a driver they go Bo, but the passenger can down na Maisheka junction, it take another passenger from Maisheka junction, waiting the driver need for do.
Well, we don't, that now another argument, but we'll be known what itself. Now, if the driver don't load now, they don't manifest the passengers. They don't move from here, they don't go drop one passenger na my car. It pick up another passenger. If I do the same, if I write the same informations where they inside the manifest, now the back of the manifest, if I get in name, if I get in address, if I forget in age, if I get in sex, if I get in destination, if I get in next of kin, if I get in telephone number, and the next of kin in telephone number. Then they all that same information they if I put on at the back of the manifest we get. If you're not able to write, you go call anybody where you're able to write. Say, do you take this information for me? But then we don't sensitize them back with that. Let we see how it will work. And really, it don't begin work. Because 2 days this are the go mile 38, people they know they go motorcar they know they go without manifest.
Okay. So what's in the message we go out to all wait till you don't say so?
My message to me colleague drivers, my message to the executive of motor drivers and general transport workers union, the 72,000 membership we get today are the big una. Una wash una hands before una go inside the motorcar. Una observe the social distancing. Una allow we use face masks. Then, any motorcar they apply upline, dear, una make sure say una take una manifest them before una move. Thank you very much.
Okay, before we end this interview, you talk about the members, the membership. So many concerns on the raise as some of the members then say then they come with issue where you know they solve.
Then when you be leader, definitely beaucoup people who may do something then way you know go find for you yourself. If you come with a problem, one knows you are able to solve, I go solve them for you. But if you go cause problem, one knows that problem, not to driver's union problem, or not to driver problem, I no go do them. Some people can go take money them, then kaya, they say I help them for pay that money, I know they do them. Some people they go to court, then go stand for people them. Then what thing they do? Then people then they hide. When they not hide or they balance, they come to me for make I go pay that money. I no go down. If not traffic business you get, when I know say not to you fault, definitely the driver's union go go there. You get bearing, we dey go help. We go must go assist. If you na member, you dey pay your dues na this organization. We go there. If you get problem, if you na member, you get with membership card, you dey pay your dues, we go there. So with then day, if you know say you know to member, you know they pay dues to we, you know they part of drivers union. No can I help you problem? We no go do am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mrs.
Hello to you, sir, and welcome to this interview. Please tell your name and what's in your position at this place.
Mina, as a chairman, Mr. Usman Sise, for petty traders, outside governor the area. Woman and Pekin, Papa, then Namina the Papa.
Alright, so whose business do you do?
Mina, junk shoe seller, second-hand things. They send kini, so then they come outside. They're from all this corona camp. No business, no do.
Alright, so what in the inter-district of down create as an effect on your business?
It affects me bad. One, when we get small money, we say nakini. That man, the first we say na no, na we tell money. Na small one get here. We don't eat inside that 3 days. Nothing no they can. Na so I just sit down one day. In the patrol, see what we trade that they do. They wait and we say for that registration, I don't have open all miss. For me trade that, I know we will do something back. Now we start. As all the past say, all men for cover, says at distance. Let you know how for do, I know let you have for workers. So now they are doing.
Alright. As a trader, how you feel where the inter-district lockdown don't come to an end?
Well,
God thank you, we tell Papa, God, the president thank you. We hope, say, what the Lord will give, we will work with him. By God in power, social distance and face masks. If you know who are the church, if you know which side the worker. So.
Indeed, social distance and face masks. And when we get for consider, say this sick called COVID-19 not done have continued, and people get for the travel go offline. What is going to be a message to you traders them where they sell, who say you the govern as chairman?
One as me trader, the auto cleaner, they tell them, me as the chairman, I get the tank. All man for us here and then one. When you don't ask here, if I make sure say, if you cover, you know, say you want. After that, if you know who are the code of scheme, as a chairman, waiting on me your message all the time. Why the worker tell all man, say now this and this if you do. Now, we never pray for all the part don't say this year, all man for come manage. If it's like take the law, the whole part they kill you.
So, what's going to be a message to the government, especially when you talk about say, una market money all on them, they have up to them now for help. What's going to be a message to them?
Well, now the government now in Papa. The government now in Papa, as anytime you cry, now to Papa you go. Money they don't done, you not get what they eat. The rent send them one away. This small money, what they say then they give you, they pray to God, let them will do them because of whom we don't register all the time. So now the one day now in a message for go to the week on them, but say the market they don't do, the money they don't do. What you they say now we register, let them will help you know get money. Now we will start a business money back. Now the message from the government is to trade at the all market. About 500 and something trader. A chairman, Mr. Usman Sise from Magazine Court.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
As you don't listen, so what the driver where they run at the provinces, don't talk about how they feel where government lifts the ban for travel. And also the passengers there where they go at the provinces explain how they feel. As the drivers then say they're glad for where the government lifts the ban for travel. And also the driver they make measure of some constraints them where then they face na the road with the police, and also they say the drivers union nor they talk for them at all.
Viewers, una self don't listen to the people where they do business na the Magazine Court. But one great concern where they raise we get for do the inter-district lockdown, the effect where it gets on the business when it be they on where they talk say get for do with the issue of transportation where we go up from 50,000 to 200,000, especially when you get for do with the one where they sell fruits where they go buy now upline, and also the people make mention say the fruits where they expect not to in and they receive because the one way they go bring them can now the drivers them way not to themselves they go pick them fruits they are where they want, and also they give thanks to the president of Sierra Leone where he put an end to the inter-district lockdown, and also they tell people say they will continue for do the things and where them they do for protect themselves away from this sick called COVID-19.
Mina Aissatou Smile Sise.
Your name na Kona Sise. Till we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say Tata.